I want to come to you, Shobha Gupta, first. As the lawyer of Bilkis Bano, are you planning to file a judicial review against this? The very fact that the people who were convicted for life will now be in the same neighborhood as Bilkis Bano. Do you believe that this remission is bad in law? Will you go for judicial review or not?
The remission certainly is bad in law. Completely contrary to the judgments of Supreme Court, central government circulars, everything, constitutional bench judgment, the exceptions which need to be seen, the factors which needed to be seen, but whether we are going to challenge or not is something we are still not sure.
But, you know, there will be those, Ms. Gupta, who will say, look, these convicts have served 15 years in jail, 14 years in jail, and therefore they are entitled under the Criminal Procedure Code to ask for remission, and that's what they did. Do you believe that this should be seen through a political lens, or should it be seen, as you are suggesting, that simply a bad interpretation of the law?
No, I'm saying this is non-application of mind completely. 1992 policy do not exist anymore. That is one. Two, I am not going into that political issue at all. As a lawyer, for me, this is a complete non-application of mind on the grossness of the crime. 5 gang rape. A pregnant lady gang raped. 14 murders. 5 courts of the country consistently upheld their conviction. What else you need? If this case, if the accused of this case can get remission, then I believe every single rape convict is going to now apply for remissions after 14 years. So and every murder convict then.
So you're saying this will set a precedent for all future cases where those who have been convicted for gang rape and murder will also seek remission?
No, I'm not saying precedent or not, but what I'm saying is if a remission can be exercised, can be granted in this case, then what are we talking? Then why not every single rape convict go and ask for remission? Every single murder convict should go and ask for remission. There's 14 murders, 5 gang rapes, a pregnant lady gang raped, a case where 450 pages judgment written by one court, 450 pages judgment written by another court. Supreme Court dismissed SLP, Supreme Court dismissed review petition. Justice Gogoi, like last 3 judges bench judgment, highest compensation ever in the country in a rape case granted then. So a fight of this nature, the grossness of the facts, the way the whole crime was conducted. Can remission 14 years when the policy does not exist anymore? Supreme Court has time and again, the constitutional bench judgments have said, exceptions had to be seen in the matter of rape and murders. Remissions do not come as a matter of right.
Strong words there.
What are the factors looked into? Like, I am not saying they were not entitled to apply for remission. I'm not saying the government needed not to look into the application for remission. But where is application of mind? Do we grant remissions in such cases?